key retirement risks and how to overcome them. The number one fear in retirement that no one talks about. What if I told you the biggest risk in retirement isn't running out of money, but running out of options? Most people don't realize how much their retirement plan is missing until it's too late. 3 major concerns every retiree faces. 1, healthcare costs. The average retiree will need $165,000 just for medical expenses. Medicare doesn't cover everything. 2, inflation and rising costs. Retirees are spending an average of $5,000 per month, and that number keeps climbing. 3, loneliness and social isolation. Retirement isn't just about money, it's about maintaining and fulfilling life. The biggest mistake? Thinking these problems won't affect you. What you can do: plan for medical expenses. Look into Medicare supplements, long-term care insurance, and saving plans. Consider alternative income sources, passive income, part-time consulting, or even online business models. Stay socially engaged. Community groups, volunteer work, or part-time jobs that can help maintain mental health. Have you thought about how healthcare costs will impact your retirement? What's one thing you're doing to prepare? Drop a comment below. Don't let retirement be something you hope works out. Be prepared. Follow for more helpful insights and tips. Thank you.